Thank you so much for your interest in the International Movement Exchange and Bachata Fuego. I'm Natasha and I'm the director and the organizer. This November, we've got a weekend full of dancing. It's called a weekender. We have workshops, socials, and parties for 3 days straight. Your skill level and your confidence is going to be so much higher after this event. This event is immersion. Immersion for 3 straight days, dancing non-stop. We have Linda Science coming in from DC. We have Tin Man coming in from Rochester, New York. Friday, we begin with Bachata Footwork with Dennis from Milwaukee. We have Kizomba with Tanya Mendonca. We've got a fall-themed social. We have 2 DJs, DJ Rowe from Tampa, DJ Cognition from Texas. Saturday, we have workshops all day. We have Urban Kiz, Kizomba, Bachata, Bachata Sensual. I'll be teaching Kizomba Synergy, Tanya, Linda Science, and the Class A dance team will be here to dance with you. And don't worry, if you're just starting, we'll have a special section for beginners, and all of us are here to help. Saturday night, we've got 2 DJs again. We have a Romeo and Juliet themed social. We're dancing all night. We have a dance contest with an opportunity to win festival tickets. And Sunday, we'll finish the weekend with a content day. Feel free to bring a partner. You can record on your own device. And we are featuring Nova Star Media there to capture all of our content needs. When you go out dancing and people see you dancing these new social dances, you will own it. New Year's Eve is coming. We've got all kinds of holiday parties. People are coming together at the end of the year, and you're gonna be ready to be the one on the dance floor. Don't delay. Get your ticket today, right after watching this video, and I will see you on the dance floor at the International Movement Exchange.